Ravi was a simple boy from a small village. He was full of dreams, just like any other teenager. But there was one big problem. He did not value time. He believed that he had a lot of it. He would often say, "I will do it tomorrow," or "There is still time." He did not know that time is not something we can hold in our hands. It slips away like water. Ravi's father was a hard-working farmer. Every morning, before the sun rose, he would go to the fields. He believed in the power of discipline and time. He often told Ravi, "Son, time is life. If you waste time, you waste your life." But Ravi would smile and go back to sleep, thinking his father was just being too serious. Ravi loved spending time with his friends. They would sit under the banyan tree, talk for hours, laugh, and dream about the future. Ravi would say, "One day I will become a big man. I will have a car, a big house, and I will travel the world." But he never took action. His books gathered dust, and his mind wandered in dreams. Then, one day, life changed. Ravi's father fell seriously ill. The man who had never missed a day in the field was now lying in bed, too weak to speak. The doctor said, "He has a heart condition. He needs rest and expensive medicine." Ravi was shocked. For the first time in his life, he saw fear in his strong father's eyes. Suddenly, all the weight of the family came onto Ravi's shoulders. He had no job, no skills, and no money. The friends who once laughed with him were now busy with their own lives. No one had time for him anymore. One night, Ravi sat near his father's bed, tears rolling down his cheeks. His father looked at him and said in a weak voice, "Son, I always told you that time is precious. You had it, but you did not use it. Now you want to run, but time has already run away from you." Those words cut through Ravi's heart like a knife. That night he could not sleep. His mind kept repeating those words. You had time, but you did not use it. Ravi went to the village temple the next morning. He sat there quietly for hours. He looked around and saw how everything moved with time. The sun rose and set, the birds flew, the people went to work, and the clock ticked every second. He realized that time does not wait for anyone. From that day, Ravi changed. He woke up early. He took his father's place in the field. He studied at night under the dim light of a lantern. He started learning from books, from old farmers, from anyone who could teach him something useful. He did not waste a single minute. He stopped dreaming and started doing. Months passed. Ravi grew stronger and wiser. He worked harder than ever. He saved every little coin he could. Slowly, he earned enough to buy his father's medicines. His father's health improved and he smiled again. That smile gave Ravi more strength. Years went by. Ravi finished his education through distance learning. He became a successful agricultural expert. He helped other farmers in the village to grow better crops. He built a small company that made organic fertilizers. People respected him. His village became known for good farming practices. One day, a young boy from the village asked Ravi, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" Ravi smiled and said, "Time. I wasted it once and paid a heavy price. But when I understood its value, it gave me everything I wanted." He continued, "Time is the most powerful thing in life. It can make you or break you. You cannot stop it, you cannot hold it. But if you walk with it, it will take you to beautiful places." That boy looked at Ravi with wide eyes, his heart touched by the emotion in his voice. At night, Ravi sat by his father again. His father, now old but healthy, looked at him with pride. "You learned, son. You became the man I always hoped you would be." Ravi held his father's hand and said with tears in his eyes, "I lost time once, but I will never lose it again." This story is not just about Ravi. It is about all of us. We all think we have enough time. We scroll through our phones for hours, we delay our dreams, we wait for the right moment. But time never waits. Every second that passes will never come back. Value your time. Use it wisely. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Because life is made of time. If you waste time, you waste your life. But if you value time, life will give you value in return. The clock is ticking. What will you do with your time?